Hi, I'm Dr. Mohammed Usman. Now let's talk about lion's mane mushrooms. There are 9 health benefits of lion's mane mushrooms. They are known as Yamabushi teak. They are large, white, shaggy mushrooms that resemble a lion's mane as they grow. They have both culinary and medical uses in Asian countries like China, India, Japan and Korea. Lion's mane mushrooms can be enjoyed raw, cooked, dried or steeped as a tea. Their extracts often used in over-the-counter health supplements. Many describe their flavor as seafood-like, often comparing it to crab or lobster. Lion's mane mushrooms contain bioactive substances that have beneficial effects on the body, especially the brain, heart and gut. Here are 9 health benefits of lion's mane mushrooms and their extracts. They could protect against dementia. The brain's ability to grow and form new connections typically declines with age, which may explain why mental functioning gets worse in many older adults. Studies have found that lion's mane mushrooms contain 2 special compounds that can stimulate the growth of brain cells, carcinogens and adenosines. Additionally, animal studies have found that lion's mane may help protect against Alzheimer's disease, a degenerative brain disease that causes progressive memory loss. In fact, lion's mane mushroom and its extracts have been shown to reduce symptoms of memory loss in mice, as well as prevent neuronal damage caused by amyloid plaque which accumulate in the brain during Alzheimer's disease. While no studies have analyzed whether lion's mane mushrooms is beneficial for Alzheimer's disease in humans, it appears to boost mental functioning. A study in older adults with mild cognitive impairment found that consuming 5 grams of powdered lion's mane mushroom daily for 4 months significantly improved mental functioning, but these benefits disappeared when supplementation stopped. The ability of lion's mane mushroom to promote nerve growth and protect the brain from Alzheimer's related damage may explain some of its beneficial effects on brain health. However, it's important to note that most of the research has been conducted in animals or in test tubes. Therefore, more human studies are needed. Lion's mane mushroom contains compounds that stimulate the growth of brain cells and protect them from damage caused by Alzheimer's disease. However, more human research is needed. It helps relieve mild symptoms of depression and anxiety. Up to 1/3 of people living in developed countries experience symptoms of anxiety and depression. While there are many causes of anxiety and depression, chronic inflammation could be a major contributing factor. New animal research has found that lion's mane mushroom extract has anti-inflammatory effects that can reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression in mice. Other animal studies have found that lion's mane mushroom extract can also help regenerate brain cells and improve the functioning of hippocampus, a region of the brain responsible for processing memories and emotional responses. Researchers believe that improved functioning of the hippocampus may explain the reduction in anxiousness and depressive behaviors in mice given these extracts. While these animal studies are promising, there is very little research in humans. One small study in menopausal women found that eating cookies containing lion's mane mushrooms daily for 1 month helped reduce self-reported feelings of irritation and anxiety. Studies suggest that lion's mane mushroom may help relieve mild symptoms of anxiety and depression, but more human research is needed to better understand the correlation. Lion's mane mushroom may speed recovery from nervous system injuries. The nervous system consists of the brain, spinal cord and other nerves that travel throughout the body. These components work together to send and transmit signals that control almost every bodily function. Injuries to the brain or spinal cord can be devastating. They often cause paralysis or loss of mental functions and can take a long time to heal. However, research has found that lion's mane mushroom extract may help speed recovery from these types of injuries by stimulating the growth and repair of nerve cells. In fact, lion's mane mushroom extract has been shown to reduce recovery time by 23 to 41% when given to rats with nervous system injuries. Lion's mane extract may also help reduce the severity. Lion's mane mushroom extract may also help reduce the severity of brain damage after a stroke. In one study, high doses of lion's mane mushroom extract given to rats immediately after a stroke helped decrease inflammation and reduce the size of stroke-related brain injury by 44%. While these results are promising, no studies have been conducted in humans to determine if lion's mane would have the same therapeutic effect on nervous system injuries. It protects against ulcers in digestive tract. Ulcers are capable of forming anywhere along the digestive tract, including the stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. Stomach ulcers are often caused by two major factors: overgrowth of a bacteria called H. pylori and damage to the mucous layer of the stomach that's often due to long-term use of non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. Lion's mane extract may protect against the development of stomach ulcers by inhibiting the growth of H. pylori and protecting the stomach lining from damage. Several studies have found that lion's mane extract can prevent the growth of H. pylori in a test tube, but no studies have tested whether they have the same effects inside the stomach. Additionally, an animal study found that lion's mane mushroom extract was more effective at preventing alcohol-induced stomach ulcers than traditional acid-lowering drugs, and without any negative side effects. Lion's mane extract can also reduce inflammation and prevent tissue damage in other areas of the intestine. In fact, they may help treat inflammatory bowel diseases like ulcerative colitis and Crohn's disease. One study in people with ulcerative colitis found that taking a mushroom supplement containing 14% lion's mane extract significantly reduced symptoms and improved quality of life after 3 weeks. However, when the same study was repeated in patients with Crohn's disease, the benefits were no better than a placebo. It's important to note that the herbal supplement used in these studies included several types of mushroom, so it's difficult to draw any conclusion about the effects of lion's mane specifically. Overall, research suggests that lion's mane mushroom extract may help inhibit the development of ulcers, but more human research is needed. It reduces heart disease risk. Major risk factors for heart disease include obesity, high triglycerides, large amount of oxidized cholesterol, and an increased tendency to get blood clots. Research shows that lion's mane extract can influence some of these factors and reduce the risk of heart disease. Studies in rats and mice have found that lion's mane mushroom extract improves fat metabolism and lowers triglyceride levels. One study in rats fed a high-fat diet and given daily doses of lion's mane extract observed 27% lower triglyceride levels and 42% less weight gain after 28 days. Since obesity and high triglycerides are both considered risk factors for heart disease, this is one way that lion's mane mushrooms contribute to heart health. Test tube studies have also found that lion's mane extract can help prevent the oxidation of cholesterol in the bloodstream. Oxidized cholesterol molecules tend to attach to the walls of the arteries, causing them to harden and increasing the risk of heart attack and stroke. Therefore, reducing oxidation is beneficial for heart health. What's more, lion's mane mushrooms contain a compound called hericinone B, which can decrease the rate of blood clotting and lower the risk of heart attack or stroke. Lion's mane mushrooms appear to benefit the heart and blood vessels in multiple ways, but human studies are needed to support this. It helps manage diabetes symptoms. Diabetes is a disease that occurs when the body loses the ability to control blood sugar levels. As a result, levels are consistently elevated. Chronically high blood sugar levels eventually cause complications like kidney disease, nerve damage in the hands and feet, and vision loss. Lion's mane mushroom may be beneficial for diabetes management by improving blood sugar control and reducing some of these effects. Several animal studies have shown that lion's mane can cause significantly lower blood sugar levels in both normal and diabetic mice, even at daily doses as low as 2.7 milligrams per pound, 6 milligrams per kg of body weight. One way that lion's mane lowers blood sugars is by blocking the activity of the enzyme alpha glucosidase, which breaks down carbs in the small intestine. When this enzyme is blocked, the body is unable to digest and absorb carbs as effectively, which results in lower blood sugar levels. In addition to lowering blood sugars, lion's mane mushroom extract may reduce diabetic nerve pain in the hands and the feet. In mice with diabetic nerve damage, 6 weeks of daily lion's mushroom extract significantly reduced pain, lowered blood sugar levels, and even increased antioxidant levels. Lion's mane mushroom shows potential as a therapeutic supplement for diabetes, but more research is needed to determine exactly how it might be used in humans. It might help fight cancer. Cancer occurs when DNA becomes damaged and causes cells to divide and replicate out of control. Some research suggests that lion's mane mushroom has cancer fighting abilities thanks to several of its unique components. In fact, when lion's mane extract is mixed with human cancer cells in a test tube, they cause the cancer cells to die at a faster rate. This has been demonstrated with several types of cancer cells, including liver, colon, stomach, and blood cancer cells. However, at least one study has failed to replicate these results, so more studies are needed. In addition to killing cancer cells, lion's mane extract has also been shown to slow the spread of cancer. One study in mice with colon cancer found that taking lion's mane extract reduced the spread of cancer to the lungs by 69%. Another study found that lion's mane extract was more effective than traditional cancer medications at slowing tumor growth in mice. In addition to having fewer side effects. However, the anti-cancer effects of lion's mane mushroom have never been tested in humans, so more research is needed. However, the anti-cancer effects of lion's mane mushrooms have never been tested in humans, so more research is needed. It reduces inflammation and oxidative stress. Chronic inflammation and oxidative stress are believed to be at the root of many modern illnesses, including heart disease, cancer, and autoimmune disorders. Research shows that lion's mane mushrooms contain powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds that may help reduce the impact of these illnesses. In fact, one study examining the antioxidant abilities of 14 different mushroom species found that lion's mane had the fourth highest antioxidant activity and recommended it to be considered a good dietary source of antioxidants. Several animal studies have found that lion's mane extract reduce markers of inflammation and oxidative stress in rodents and may be especially useful in the management of inflammatory bowel disease, liver damage, and stroke. Lion's mane mushrooms may also help reduce some of the health risks associated with obesity, as they have been shown to reduce or decrease the amount of inflammation released by fat tissue. More studies are needed to determine the potential health benefits in humans. It boosts the immune system. A strong immune system protects the body from bacteria, viruses, and other disease-causing pathogens. On the other hand, a weak immune system puts the body at a higher risk of developing infectious diseases. Animal research shows that lion's mane mushroom can boost immunity by increasing the activity of the intestinal immune system, which protects the body from pathogens that enter the gut through the mouth or nose. Animal studies show that lion's mane mushroom can boost immunity by Animal research shows that lion's mane mushroom can boost immunity by increasing the activity of the intestinal immune system, which protects the body from pathogens that enter the gut through the mouth or the nose. These effects may partly be due to beneficial changes in gut bacteria that stimulate the immune system. One study even found that supplementing with lion's mane extract daily nearly quadrupled the lifespan of mice injected with a lethal dose of Salmonella bacteria. The immune boosting effects of lion's mane mushrooms are very promising, but this area of research is still developing. There are some side effects of lion's mane mushroom which are anyone who is allergic or sensitive to mushrooms should avoid lion's mane, since it is a species of mushrooms. There have been documented cases of people experiencing difficulty breathing or skin rashes after exposure to lion's mane mushrooms, likely related to allergies. So the bottom line is, lion's mane mushroom and its extract have been shown to have a variety of health benefits. Research has found that lion's mane may help protect against dementia, reduce mild symptoms of anxiety and depression, and help recover from nerve damage. It also has strong anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and immune boosting abilities, and been shown to lower the risk of heart disease, cancer, ulcers, and diabetes in animals. I hope you like the video. Please like and share our channel, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.